Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to upload the script into your web hosting server. If you are using HostPapa, and I've done with the tutorial on how to buy one of the options or web server in HostPapa, and if you are the one who choose HostPapa, you will face, or you should face, like this front page. So first of all, you need to go into the hostpapasupport.com and click into my account, and then we'll sign in with your information. Once you have done that, you can go into the cPanel or my cPanel, and then click on the file manager, and from the file manager we will upload our script into our web hosting server. So let's click on file manager, and it will open a new tab with a bunch of folders. Don't look at all those folders. Well, for me, I'm using this website, which is babalkhamis.com, and I don't want to upload my content into the main website. I want to add it into a subdomain, and I will show you how to create that, or how to do that. If you want to make it as a subdomain, and if not, you can, or if you just buy this host, you should go into the public underscore HTML, and then upload all the content in here. You should select all the files and click on delete, and you should delete all the files you will see in this section, and then upload your files. So let's go back and create a subdomain, and I will show you how to upload the file into your web hosting server. So this is my main website, and it is an e-commerce website, and I want to use my Netflix clone website as a domain name, subdomain. So let's go back to my cPanel and then go into subdomains and add a subdomain. So let's type, for example, Netflix for me. Sorry, Netflix. And let's choose a domain name, and my domain name is this one, and it should be looks like this: netflix.babalkhamis.com. And if you want, and as I've said, if you want to make your website, for example, yourwebsite.com, you should upload your file into the main folder, and I will show you how to upload the file. So let's create my subdomain first by clicking on the create. Let's go back, already exist. Okay, so let's click on the cPanel from this icon here. Great, so let's go back, click on the file manager, and it will be refreshed, and then you will find this one. This is my subdomain folder, and as I've said, if you want to make your website as a main website, and for example, if you type your website.com, you should see your Netflix clone websites looks in the front. You should go into the public HTML and upload your content here. So let's up one level and go into my subdomain or website folder, and inside of it I've seen that there is a CGI bin or bin folder. I will delete it. Select all and click delete, and then skip to the trash and permanently delete all the files and click confirm. Then let's upload my content. VideoFlex. If you go into my URL, you will find this one, videoflex.zip, or this one. Alright, so let's upload this folder or this file, or let me show you how to do that step by step. we have extracted the file to see the structure of the files before. So let's click into my folder and then select all those files and folders and right click and then click on compress the 5 item. And if you are using Windows, you can just select all the files and right click and add to archive, okay, using WinRAR. Then let's rename the zip file. Let's rename it with Netflix. Great. So let's go back into our web browser and then select the file and go into my desktop VideoFlex folder and then netflix.zip file and click open, and it will directly upload the file. So once the file finished, I will back to you and complete explaining how to extract it into your own web server and then start working with it. So let's stop our wait until the upload finishes. So the file has been uploaded, and now let's click on go back into our website folder, and then you will see this one. So you have to select the file and then right click and click extract, or just select it like this one and go to extract from here and click on extract files. It takes a little bit of time. Done. So all the files have been extracted, and now we are ready to set up our website and make it looks to the public. So let's take a look into netflix.badalchemist.com. Just give me a moment. Netflix, like this. Let's just copy this one, this URL, and paste it. Sorry. Okay, so it seems that the website doesn't work because it needs some configuration, and in the next tutorial I will show you how to run this script into our website.